So the point of the next few videos is going to be about the advantages of vapor honing versus dry blasting. The first main point that I want to point out is the difference in cleaning between dry versus wet. So dry blasting cleans by sheer force or impact. So imagine propelling dry abrasive particles at the surface, hitting with force and cleaning, or trying, and note I say trying, to create some type of finish on the part by sheer impact and force. Obviously, vapor honing is completely different than that, being that we have water mixed with the abrasive. One of the main key points here is vapor honing is cleaning by flow, not by force or sheer impact. So you have water mixed with all the abrasive particles. When they hit the part, the water's cushioning the abrasive and it starts flowing. One of the main points there that I want to point out is the fact that we can get into some of the tightest, smallest, most detailed spots versus dry glass beading because again, we're cleaning by flow or we're polishing by flow. So think about it, sheer impact with dry, flow-based nature, vapor honing, because we mix water and the glass beads or water and the aluminum oxide or whatever that abrasive is, we mix that stuff together and it cleans by flow, not sheer impact.